Good afternoon guys, my name is Akash and this is Know Your Bicycle. Today we have Mr. Vishal Bhargav and he for the first time test ridden our Emotorad EMX. Let's hear from him. इनका first pedal experience कैसा रहा?
It was good, pleasant surprise. As soon as I did my first pedal, I could feel the thirst, and obviously it will make commuting very easy.
Definitely. Looking at the flyovers in Delhi NCR, I think it's very...
Looking at the traffic, it's very difficult in Delhi. Even like riding a normal bike is pretty challenging because you cannot accelerate suddenly.
Definitely.
At least in this, you'll have that advantage.
Definitely.
So commuting on a cycle would be much easier with this cycle.
And I assure you that once you get your hand on it, you would tend to ride more. Even to pick up groceries, to meet your friends, to report to work, to do errands of the daily life, you would choose this over a normal ordinary bicycle, definitely.
It can replace your two-wheeler.
No doubts about it. Thank you so much, sir.